right, thank you, Chris. Continuing coverage tonight, a federal judge is expanding what damages survivors can seek in sexual abuse cases involving former Ohio State wrestling team doctor Richard Strauss.
The judge ruled today plaintiffs are not limited to just tuition-related costs. As we've reported, Ohio State says an investigation found Strauss sexually abused at least 177 students. He worked at the university for 20 years and died by suicide in 2005. Today's ruling says survivors may pursue damages for lost educational opportunities, lost earnings, and costs related to physical injuries. The judge did limit plaintiffs from pursuing damages for discrimination or certain types of emotional distress. Ohio State reached settlements with 13 more Strauss survivors earlier this month, totaling $1.8 million, an average of $138,000 per survivor. The university says it has now reached settlements with 317 survivors since 2020, totaling more than $61 million. That's an average of more than $192,000 per survivor.
Now, we reached out to Steve Snyder-Hill, who is a plaintiff in this case, and he said in part, quote, "To put it in perspective, Strauss was already abusing students when I was 7 years old. Over 15 years later, I was also assaulted and lied to." He went on to say, quote, "OSU is trying to settle cases of sexual assault for 1/3 of what they currently pay the board secretary for 1 year. They won't do what is right until they are forced to." End quote. Now, we reached out to Ohio State for comment. They declined, saying that this pertains to pending litigation.